Hey Jake, what are you working on?
Just wrapping up this Truma install on the four-wheel.
Let's go take a look at the inside on this thing. So something that's becoming more popular is to upgrade the heater within your four-wheel camper. All campers that were built pre-2023 came with a different style heater than they do right now. There were several different model heaters that they came with. The bulk of it, I believe, was a Dometic unit. And they, to be honest, were not the best heaters. Four-wheel has since upgraded to the Truma heater, which comes in all four-wheel campers that you option them with. And that's what we're upgrading this camper with. That older style heater had a couple pretty big issues, but we don't need to go into the details on that right now. Realistically, the biggest issue with it that was annoying in my opinion was that it was sized for a much larger camper. And this caused several things, but the biggest thing about it was that it would fluctuate your heat pretty poorly. So in a sense that the heater would turn on, it would get really hot, and then it would sense that, okay, cool, I'm up to temperature, and it would shut off and then it would get cold. And it would cycle on and off and on and off. And that's just because it was sized for a much larger cabin, almost something that was like a toy hauler or something like that that's much bigger. That also caused things to soot up inside of the unit because it was never getting hot and staying hot. And it also was just really bad on propane consumption. It would just nuke your propane tanks. So swapping in the Truma units into the older model campers is becoming much more popular, and this is probably the fourth or fifth one that we've done here at the shop, and it's been a really worthwhile modification for a lot of customers. So what does that process look like? Well, we bring your truck and camper inside the shop, and we rip the old heater out.
Really easy.
This camper had an Atwood heater in it. It's a 2017 model camper, but there are several variations of heaters that came in these campers. So we yank the heater out of the cabinet, we clean the cabinet up, and are getting it prepped for the new heater installation. We're installing a Truma heater, the Truma Vario heat unit. This is exactly what four-wheel uses, as well as a lot of other manufacturers in their current camper models. It's still a propane heater, so we're not really having to mess with too much of the propane system, which is nice. And it does fit within the factory cabinet. The ducting is able to be routed outside, kind of using that same faceplate that it did come with before, so aesthetically it looks nice and clean. And then on the inside, we're replacing the interior panel with one that matches your existing camper cabinetry that we ordered directly from four-wheel. So you're getting this trim panel that mounts in front of the heater. You have your intake and your exhaust for it, and then you do have the new Truma controller that allows you to set your thermometer or your thermostat on this unit to set your temperatures. Another nice benefit to this heater is that the thermostat is actually a separate piece from the screen. So we can place the thermostat anywhere within your cabinetry, which helps further allow the camper to regulate its internal temperature, because on the older style thermostats, they were usually located below where the bed slide was. So when you had your bed pulled out, that thermostat was kind of within a nook and it would capture the heat, which would cause it to shut off. Whereas with this style unit, we can relocate the thermostat further back so that it's not directly below the kind of cab over portion almost on the bed, and helps it just regulate itself a little bit better. So if you have an older model camper, a pre-2023 four-wheel camper like this one, it's a 2017 unit, and you want to upgrade your heater, let us know. It's just under $5,000 to do the swap, and it takes us a day and a half to do it. And I'll tell you, it's a worthwhile upgrade. It makes camping in colder climates much more enjoyable. You're not getting really hot in bed and then really cold in bed, and it's just saving propane, and it's just a solid unit to put in the back of your camper and help modernize it and bring it into the current four-wheel camper era. We're located here in San Diego, California. If you want to get some work done on your camper, we're happy to help out.